Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, I will revision this site and I will try to fix any problem. If I find, I will immediately fix it. So you can see this button is not working. When I click here, it's not redirect on other page. It's on redirect on the same page. So first, I already log in my WordPress website. So now I enable the visual builder from this page, the home page. Okay. So now I will linking all the link with this button. So first I just go the module setting. Okay, so you can see the button 1 is book now, so I can linking with bookmark button with the contact page. Okay, so I just copy the contact page and I just scroll down from module and link, and the first link, this one. Okay, so paste and view service. So I just simply copy the service page link and simply paste over here. Okay, and simply save. It's done. So let's see another button is appearing left or not. So yeah, home page is this one. So I want to link this button with the contact page as well. So copy this link and go module setting, and from here link, and simply paste the link, and you can see a function for button link target. If you want to, when the user click the button and the new page will open with the same window or new tab, you can select from here. So I want to the same window because it's not a external link, it's all the link is internal. So most of the time and most of the user like to open link in the same window. Okay, so save and again save. So it's done. So now I just go about page, and I just simply close this one and simply enable the visual builder from about page. Okay, so our service, so I just simply copy the service page copy link and simply go module setting, and from here link and the first link simply paste here and save. And let's see another one, this one. So also I will setting up with our service page, so simply paste this link. Okay, and let's see another one, this one. So I just simply copy the contact page link and simply paste over here. Okay, link and simply paste over here, and all is done. So simply save this one and go service page, and let's see, and close this one. Again enable the visual builder. Now copy the contact page link and paste over here, go module setting and link and button 1 link. Yeah, you can see it's the link is working. You can see when I hover here, you can see left side on bottom side the link is appearing, so it's work. Okay, so get started, go setting, and from here I just copy the pricing page link and simply paste here, save, and let's see another one. So this one request service, so I just simply copy the contact page link and simply go here, and from here go link and simply paste here. Okay, and let's see another one, view our service. So again I just copy the pricing page link and simply click here, go module setting, and from here go link and simply paste the link on this button link URL. Okay, and let's see another one, this one. Again copy the contact page link and simply go module setting and link and simply paste here. Okay, all okay. So simply save and go pricing, and let's see, and simply close this one. And there's this thing, I have to put all the pricing table link to contact page. So copy the link and simply go there. So first I have to enable the visual builder, otherwise it's not working. Okay, so now I simply come here, and from here go module setting, from here link. So I just paste the contact page link. Okay, so this one as well, link, paste, also this one. It's easy, so I can do it easily. I think you can also do it easily as well, so don't panic about that. DB is super easy for building a custom any kind of designing WordPress website. Okay, so I simply paste again in here, and this one as well. Okay, and all is done. So simply save and go the blog page and simply close this tab. Okay, I think blog page no need to add the link, but I can do a thing. Suppose go enable the visual builder. I have a plan. So from here now I have to put a ID. So I want to use also a icon as well. So go module setting, and from here I want to change the icon. So go design, and from here I have to go button 1. Okay, and now I have to change the icon, like scroll down, so this one. Okay, so I select and let's see. Yeah, so again come back content and link, and the button link 1. So I just simply write here blog is scroll. Okay, and simply copy, and let's see, and save. And again I have to go this section, so go the row setting, and from here go advanced, and now I want to add a custom ID. So I click here and simply paste the ID, so I don't need the hash, and simply save, and let's see it's working or not. So simply save, and after save I just cut off all the other link from blog and simply reload, and simply click here. Yeah, it's working. You can see when someone come here and read more, and you can see the blog is automatically scrolled. So now let's see, there has a no issue in here, all is okay. So now go with contact page, and let's see another problem we are finding or not. So this is the contact page. It's look like all is good. So now I can put a Google Maps for this company location. It's built more trust on the customer. So enable the visual builder for add a Google Map. Okay, and now I have to create a section. So suppose I want to place the Google Map in here, so or here. So I think Google Map is looking good in this place. So I just simply click here for create a new section. So I need a full width Google Maps, so I just click full width, and I need full width code. Okay, so I simply, now I have to put the code of Google Maps. So I simply go maps Google. Okay, mapsgoogle.com is coming. So now I have to find out which place I want to placed on our site. So suppose I want to my place, and if you don't have any place, you can also put your custom location. Suppose this one Chamtia. So suppose I click here, and your company is also located on this place. You can also share and copy the code from here. So I want to use my own place, so I simply write here SoapJDX. Okay, this place, and I simply go share, embed a map, and simply copy the HTML. Okay, so I simply come here and paste the code in here, and let's see what's happened. So you can see it's a very small map, so don't worry about that. I will show you how to you can make it proper way width. So you can see in here has a function for width and height. So suppose the width is 600, you can see. So but I need 1900 plus, so I simply write here 1920, and you can see the map is full width, and it's look very cool. Okay, so also you can change your height from here. Suppose I simply write here 500, and you can see the map is more bigger. So simply save, and let's see it's working or not. Okay, after save I simply again cut off all the other link and simply reload my site, and let's see. Yeah, Google Map is working well. When I hover, you can see the command you for keyboard, use Ctrl+ for scroll. So it's working very perfectly. You can see this one is working perfectly. So thanks for watching this chapter, and next chapter I will show you how you can make a website within a few minutes. See you in next chapter.